So really, really excited to talk to you about maybe some of your ideas around how we're going to bring this to life. And we're already huge fans of your work, so
I'm excited to work on this project. Thank you guys so much for the opportunity and thinking of me and even just considering me as a selection for this. It's amazing. Alright, so we just finished up the meeting with Meta. We have a project coming up. It's top secret that we're working on right now. I'm super excited about this. I'm going to have the opportunity to teach you all how to create Instagram Reels with the Meta team. Like, that is insane to me. It's insane. There are 4 creators working on this project. I have no idea who the other 4 creators are, but shout out to them. Thank you so much for the opportunity. This is really amazing because I get to help people like you guys that are watching and show you how to produce better quality videos all on your phone. There has been a reoccurring theme with my life where I have stayed true to what I believe. I've bet on it. I've invested my time and belief into it. Not just time, but my belief. That's strong, because if you don't believe in something, how can you achieve that goal? How can you pursue your dreams? You have to have belief. I have a dream to help people. I believe in it. Show gratitude. Thank you guys so much. And now I'm giving back to you. So it's all just full circle. Really amazing. Super excited. Today we're announcing the giveaway. I gotta get started on the media deck. Let's go. Alright guys, it is the morning of the shoot. We are setting up right now. Production has arrived, getting everything ready, all of my shot lists, just going over the scripts, questions that they're going to be asking. I'm super excited. Nervous is not a thing. We're just anxious. The day has come. We're here. And I will keep you posted. Let's do this. Take a look.
What's going on?
So right now I'm just going over the shot list, going through any questions, just preparing last minute. It's always good to sit back and take in everything to be prepared as much as you can, but not overly prepared, because overthinking will lead to overthinking. It's not a good thing.
Disaster.
Disaster. Okay, we're getting ready for the interview right now. Just fine-tuning these last adjustments. You know how it goes in production. You're either rushing to get things done or waiting, so. Hey everyone, my name is Dontae Catlett. I'm a filmmaker, entrepreneur, and digital media strategist. My handle is Dontae Catlett.
all right, that was perfect. Thank you.
For the Reels Piece of Cake series, I've been selected to produce a video for the Reels Make It Pop. The idea that I came up with was showing how different sound effects and music can impact the emotions that the viewer is going through. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unbox the cake and show 3 different genres of music and how that can really make the viewer feel while watching that video through filmmaking and storytelling. If you're a beginner and you're... Sorry, what was the question one more time so I can include it?
Yeah, that's fine. You can also do it with a hand on top of the box too, kind of more of this.
Almost cut my finger right there. Okay, we just got off our lunch break. Sort of almost done with video 1. Got to do a couple more scenes from there. Then gonna do an editing breakdown, and then film the second video. Second video is gonna be a lot faster because it's just talking stuff. First video is a lot more creative. Second one's like, all right, we gotta get down to the core principles of how to create better content. Let's get to it. 3 different shots right now. I'm gonna get a POV shot out of the work. Show off the transitions feature. There's a transitions feature.
Are you creating a video? Meta sent me a box to show how making Reels is a piece of cake. What if I told you that audio is just as important as video? To make your Reels pop, try syncing the music to the cuts of your edit. Don't believe me? Let's take this cake and make it epic. how about a chill unboxing?
Seductive?
Don't overthink the content. You got this. I'm narrating this whole video in my closet. But before I forget,
I let my tape drop till my tape pop. Smoking weed and bamboo, sipping on private stock. Way back when I had the red and black lumberjack with the hat to match. Remember rapping Duke? The hard, you never thought that hip hop would take it this far. Now I'm in the limelight cause I rhyme tight. Time to get paid, blow up like